How to hide active status in Facebook. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can hide the active status of your Facebook account. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply launch your Facebook application by tapping onto the app icon, and once you are inside your Facebook homepage you will need to click onto these three lines present at the top right corner. So click here, and then once you are inside the main menu you will need to click onto the settings gear icon at the top. Now inside the settings and privacy you will need to scroll down until you can find this particular status that says active status. You can find this under the audience and visibility section. Now click onto this active status and you can see show when you are active. It is currently enabled and you will need to disable this. Now it will ask you again, you will need to click on turn off, and that's how you can simply disable your active status in Facebook. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.